Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.22.4, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading, and communication skills. We begin with Beginning English Video Lesson 22 of 52. So, you see this link here, you click on this link to access the lesson. Alright, so for part 1, you need to watch and practice along with the speaking practice video. This video is 8 minutes and 50 seconds long, so please watch this video 2 or 3 times and practice along with it. After you finish with the speaking practice video, you go to part 2 and you complete the pronunciation practice video. So you watch this 2-minute long video 2 or 3 times and practice with it. Then we have part 3 where you listen, read, and practice along with the audio player and dialogue below. So as you can see, this is a pretty long dialogue. So first you will read along with the audio.
Washington, D.C. has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn, or fall. My favorite season is summer because of summer vacation.
Okay, so you continue reading. Now, I suggest to you that after you read this in English, this dialogue in English, you translate it into your primary language so that you can improve your comprehension. And then when you finish, you click on the English flag to go back to English. Then for part 4, you have the video lesson. It's 5 minutes, so please watch this lesson 2 or 3 times, okay? And finally, you have part 5, the online quiz. So you click on the online quiz link. Here's question 1 out of 5. Why does Anna say summer is her favorite season?
Washington, D.C. has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn, or fall. My favorite season is summer because of summer vacation.
Okay, she likes summer vacation. Anna likes the temperature. She does not like autumn. Anna says she likes the rain. So yes, she likes summer vacation. So we click on this, and then we click on next question, and there are 4 more questions to go. All right, students. So this was lesson 1.22.4. Please do the best you can to complete it. And again, the more you focus, the more you learn. The faster you learn English. Thank you so much. I will see you in a short while. Bye-bye.